In spring, you can hear the robin in the background there. Oh, isn't he lovely? In spring, you see these beautiful daffodils coming up all over the place. Same with crocus, same with tulips, same with hyacinths. I am going to bring this back to life, and repotting it is going to concentrate on the roots and enable the plant to anchor itself. But it's the support. If I can hold this branch up here, maybe this one over here, the plant then starts to look good already. It means you're not using chemicals. It means you're recycling items that you'd use in the kitchen. And as these break down, it puts valuable minerals and calcium, of course, into the soil. So if you've got big problems, save the eggshells. You then just wrap it around the outside of the jar like this and give it a squeeze. You can trim off the little extra bits around the outside. It's not got to look pretty. It is in fact something practical. And then cleverly just fold over the base, pleating it into position. Vegetables, fruit, whether it's herbs, whether it's flowers, herbaceous, perennials, pots and containers, your hanging baskets and all sorts, grow from seed. It is so easy. Putting them on now and letting them climatise into the garden is great. And of course, some of the birds then work out exactly where they are. So when nesting comes, you can hear the little cheeping from inside. It's fantastic. Now, if you like this video and like some more hints and tips on how you can create a beautiful garden but support the creatures that live in it too, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it. I hope all the pollinators that visit your garden are blessed with loads of food so they can come and play a part in this country with the beautiful ecosystem that we have in our gardens from the north right through to the south.